Good morning, students, and welcome back in lesson number 2, which is building self-confidence from unit number 1. This lesson talks about the context clues. The objective is to identify the context clues which help decode unfamiliar lexes. The unfamiliar lexes means the unfamiliar words. What is a context? A context is the text or words around a new word. For example, we went inside to escape the frigid temperatures. We instantly felt so warm and cozy. If you noticed, the word frigid is in red. This is a word that we don't know what's the meaning of it. But if we look at the context around it, you will understand the meaning. We went inside to escape. We felt so warm and cozy. This gives us a clue that the word frigid means freezing. Now, what is clues? Clues are pieces of information that helps us understand something. For example, detectives and policemen use clues to solve crimes. 2. Doctors use clues to solve a medical problem. 3. Readers use clues from context to understand words and details. Definition of context clues. Context clues are pieces of information in the text that help the reader understand words and details. There are different types of context clues. The first type is definition. The meaning of definition is the exact meaning of a word. For example, rapid with quick speed. The second type is synonym. The meaning of synonym is a word that means the same thing. For example, rapid is synonym to fast. The third type is antonym. The meaning of antonym is a word that means the opposite. The opposite of the word rapid is slow. The third context clues type is cognate. Cognate is a word that sounds and means the same in two languages. For example, rapid, rapido in Spanish. The fifth type of context clues is examples, things that demonstrates a word meaning. Examples of rapid, things that include jets, speedboats, and bullet trains. Another example of context clues. Giant. A definition of a giant is very big in size. And the synonym of a giant is enormous. The antonym of a giant is small. And the cognate of a giant is gigante in Spanish. And an example of giant, planets and stadiums are examples of giant things. Now let's exercise. The plane was clandestine. Alex might not do it because he hates secret activities. Now, do you know what the word clandestine mean? What does clandestine mean? Open, hidden, or active? Look at the context around clandestine. Might not do it and secret activities. These two words indicates that the meaning of the word clandestine is correct, hidden. Now, which type of context clue shows the meaning of clandestine? A synonym, an antonym, or an example? Is clandestine a synonym to hidden, or an antonym to hidden, or an example to hidden? It's a synonym. Now let's see example number 2. She thinks the house is valuable, but this is incorrect. The house is worthless. Number 3. What does worthless mean? A. Inaccurate. B. Not valuable. C. Strange. Question number 4. Which type of context clue shows the meaning of worthless? A. A synonym. B. An antonym. C. Examples. Now solve question number 3. What does worthless mean? Think about the context clues that can help you answer this question. She thinks the house is valuable, but this is incorrect. So if that is incorrect, what does that mean about the house? The answer is not valuable. That's correct. The reason is because she thinks the house is valuable, but it's wrong or incorrect. The house is not valuable. The house is worthless. Worthless means not valuable. Now question number 4. Which type of context clue shows the meaning of worthless? See the context. Do you see a pair of synonym or synonym to worthless? Or do you see an antonym to worthless? Or do you see examples of things that are worthless? The answer is B, an antonym. The antonym of worthless is valuable. Your assignment: do exercise number 1, page number 7 in your workbook. If you enjoyed and understand this lesson, see you next time.